So any website, if you're creating classifier, will be two types. One is called free ads, second will be paid ads. Paid ads will be eligible only for with the login websites. With the login website. Once you're creating ad, that ad will be depend on your services. So coming to without login website, they can't advertise your ads will be for premium. That only for free ads only. Why? Because they're not coming to secured by your paid ads purpose. Only login website, which is website will be high traffic, they can promote by the paid classifieds. The classified ads will be total three types of top ad, gallery ad, and the premium ad. So based on the ads, the price will be there. So we can check. First of all, create post to free ad. This is totally your free ad. This is totally your free ad. First of all, in this select your keyword. The keyword is called select and posting. In this proceed. After that services, web service. In this add your description. Done. Next add your photograph. So anything will be show on your photograph is very important. Add your photograph. In this add your multiple photograph. Add your multiple photographs. Select it. Done. Next one. Copy this URL. This one. Add your location. Everything will be done. After that, this free ad will be showing for 42 days. After 42 days, they will be renewal your ad. Next to renewal, you go to the 42 days. But my assumption is called paid classified ads. In this ad will be totally three type of ads: tab ad, gallery ad, premium ad. Don't select anything right now. After click for proceed, your ad will be published for successfully. When ad coming to publish successfully, when approved by local ad by Locanto, now click for my ads. In this my ads, they show your classifier will be first. See this one. If you promoting this for top ads, see this one. 1 week for 190 rupees, 2 weeks 380, 3 weeks 570. Only 3 weeks will be weeks wise. Next 1 month 760, 2 months 1520, 3 months 2280. Next one gallery ad 190 same price. Next premium ad you can call also some different 95 1 week, 2 weeks will be 190, 285, 380, 760, 1000, 140. At a time you can promote the three ads. No, you can promote only for only one ad. So select your ad, select your ad, click for save. They go into your payment process. Click for proceed. In this proceed, add your any coupons. Go to checkout, add your payment, fix your classified, totally 3 months. If you change any month, click for 1 week. Your price will be changed. Suppose you check for testing purpose, go with the 1 week also. This is called create classified ads for promoting your website, get traffic on your website purpose. This is called gallery, top ads, and the premium ads. In this, which is better? We can go with the premium ad. First 1 week is better from your classified ads. So based on the ads will be change your multiple websites.